Doing good? In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a new form in Zoho Forms. Whether you're looking to create a donation form, a resignation form, or any type of form, with the Zoho Form Builder, you'll be able to do that in no time. And you can also share it online for completely free, and you'll be able to receive instant alerts whenever someone has filled out your form. Now, to get started, you're going to go onto zoho.com/forms. And by the way, you can view different templates by tapping on form templates right there. You can see the different templates that they offer. Now, once you're signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on Zoho Forms dashboard, you're going to tap on Create New Form. So after tapping on New Form in the top right hand corner, you have two options. You can either choose to create form from scratch, or you can choose to use templates. And since I've been using Zoho Form for a while, I now have the option to create CRM form also. So after you have used the platform to create a form before, you will see this option too. But what I would normally do is tap on Use Templates. After you have tapped on Use Templates, you can see the different categories from the left hand menu option right here. So you can select any one of these categories that you would like to use. You have ebook downloads, you have different options. As you can see right there, product review. You can find different options, so you can choose any one of these options that you would like to use. As you can see, room reservation form and so on. So you have numerous options. Now let's say, for example, I were to use this option, room reservation form, or better yet, the appointment booking form, as you can see right here. Now all you'll need to do is tap on Use this template after you have selected the template that you would like to use. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to the editor page. On the editor page, there are a few things that I would like you to pay attention to. If it is a case that you would like to remove one of these blocks, so let's say, for example, I would like to only ask for their first name, or I would like to also require if they have a middle name to add the middle name or middle initial. To do this, I'll simply tap on the section. Then from there, I could change the field label if I want. I can also tap right where you see middle name. I could tap on the eye icon right there to add middle name. And if it was a case that I would like to remove one of these sections, I can simply tap on the eye icon to hide it, as you can see right there. But I'm going to add the middle name option, then I'm going to tap on Save. So now you can see that it requires them to add their middle name. And if we want to add something more, let's say, for example, we like to also collect their address, we could go over to the left hand menu option, and you can see different elements that you can quickly add, as you can see right here. All you have to do is select the element that you would like to add and drag and place it, as you can see right there. And if you like to make a section mandatory, meaning that they would have to fill out that section before they can proceed to submit the form. Let's say, for example, the address section, I can tap on the address section. After you have done that, beside each field, you'll see mandatory. You can simply tap on that. And after doing that, you're going to see an asterisk beside it once you have saved it. So they have to fill out the address section. I can also do that for the name section if I want by tapping on the name right there. I can simply tap on mandatory right here, then tap on Save. So you can see right there. Once you're finished doing that, if it is a case that you would like to add any more fields, you can do that by going over to the left hand menu option and drag and place in the field. You can also, for example, upload audio or video by simply pulling on audio or video right there. Then you can choose which option you would like to add. If it is a case that you would like to add something that is downloadable, you can simply pull right where you see file upload, or you can pull image upload, and you can do that right there. Now after you're finished, you can go to the top left hand corner of the navigation bar and you could tap on settings. After you have tapped on settings, from here you can go over to the left hand menu option and you can tap where you see thank you and redirection. So if you would like to redirect them to other page after they have finished filling out the form, you can do that, but that is only available when you're on the paid plan. You can also edit your thank you page message right here. So for example, if you were offering something and you would like them to click on a link to be able to download it, you'll be able to add that link right here. You can also set up branding and so on, so you can add your custom domain. You can change the themes if you want by tapping on themes from the top navigation bar. And to share your form, you are going to tap on share from the top navigation bar. After you have done that, you can see your form link that you can copy. You can see that you're also provided with a QR code which you can quickly download by tapping on download right there. And that's basically it. Once they're finished and they have filled out their form, all you'll need to do now, and by the way, if you would like to embed it on your website, you can do that by tapping on embed from the left hand menu option. After you're finished, you'll simply tap on the home icon right here, and after tapping on the home icon, you can tap on forms, and from there you'll be able to view your forms right there, and you'll be able to view all entries and reports and so on, and the analytics. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.